Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Ethereum from Bitmart to Kucoin in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or just move assets around, this step-by-step tutorial will make it simple and secure. I'm excited to walk you through it, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Kucoin, and that you have some Ethereum in your Bitmart wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network. Ethereum transactions typically use the ERC20 standard, so ensure both exchanges are on the same network to avoid any issues. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section. Here, you'll see your Ethereum balance. Click on it to access the withdrawal options. Step 2. Select Withdraw for Ethereum. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Now, switch over to your Kucoin account, go to the Assets page and find Ethereum. Click on Deposit to generate a unique deposit address. Copy this address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Step 3. Back on Bitmart, paste the Kucoin deposit address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. Bitmart might ask for a two-factor authentication code, so have that ready to confirm the transaction. Step 4. Review everything. Double-check the address, amount, and fees. Once you're confident, hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. This could take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. After the transfer, log back into Kucoin and check your wallet to ensure the Ethereum has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it some time and monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. Remember, always prioritize security when dealing with crypto. Use hardware wallets if possible and never share your private keys. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.